Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Voltage multiplier circuit, voltage doubler, voltage tripler. It will multiply the voltage. It is normally used in CRT TVs, laser circuits, high voltage power supplies, X-ray circuits, and different other products, insect killers. There are three different types: positive voltage multiplier, negative voltage multiplier, dual voltage multiplier, or we can say half wave voltage multiplier, full wave voltage multiplier. It needs AC signal and then it will provide amplified DC voltage. If you don't have experience in electronics, never do this experiment, because extremely dangerous voltage are here. I will use a transformer to take AC signal. First we will check AC voltage. This section is providing 13.67, 13.7 volt. So we will use this section and we will make positive half wave multiplier. If I have 13.7 multiply with 1.414, I will have 19.37 volt. After connecting a rectifier, I will take peak voltage 19.37. We can use rectifier 1N5399 or 1N4007. And I will use 0.47 microfarad capacitor, that is X2 capacitor, for 250 volt RMS. Now we will check DC voltage. We tested AC voltage 13.7, DC voltage 19.4. We calculated 19.37. The same 19.4 volt are there. If you connect another capacitor here at this point, and we connect a diode here in this direction, here we will provide positive voltage to this end in this way. I will connect piece of wire as a clip. We tested 20 volt at this capacitor, but here now the voltage are doubled. This voltage plus this voltage. So it is voltage doubler. Now we will add another stage. To add another stage, we will connect capacitor here, and these positive voltage at this stage will be passed to this capacitor, this end. Here double, here triple. Here peak, peak, 2 peaks, 3 peaks. DC voltage 19, 38, 57. 19 multiplied by 3. It is tripler. Let's connect another stage. This diode, and we will connect a capacitor here. It is working as a series coupled batteries. If you are dealing with high voltage, never touch these capacitors until you are satisfied that these capacitors are discharged properly. Now 19 multiplied by 4. Let me connect another stage so that we will test at once. Nineteen, 38, 19 by 2, 19 by 3, 57, 75, 92. Each stage will multiply the voltage. So we are taking output between these 2 points. If you connect more stages, each stage will multiply the output voltage, and each capacitor will obtain double voltage. 38, 38, 38, 38. Just only first capacitor will receive 19 volts. That are peak voltage. If you will connect to 220 volt, 220 line input, multiply with 1.414, 311 volt on one capacitor, multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stages. That will around 1500 volts. So that are very high voltage. We cannot test with the simple multimeter. That time we will need high voltage probe to test that voltage. Take care for the safety. If this video is good, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.